Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, this Samsung washing machine top loader. So this problem is customer said water is not refilling. So let's see how to fix it. This is a Samsung. So really it's nice. So at first we have to turn on the water switch. Then see there is water not, you open there and you have to check there is water not. Then let me turn on. So see there is no water. Yeah, so no water. So let's see how to fix. Actually there is two screws. Just remove this screws, then remove this back cover. Very easy to remove. And there is a water inlet bulb. This fault is this water inlet bulb. Then I have checked, this water inlet bulb has broken. See, it has broken. That's why it's not working. This need to change, but without change also temporary you can use it. Okay, this is the detergent. Okay, this is the detergent is spoil, and that is a Softlan. This is a Softlan, and this is the detergent. So detergent is not working. So from detergent I'll take it to the Softlan. So motor will work as detergent. So for Softlan no need to connect. So let's see how is it. But if you want you can change, because you have to change full set, but temporary you can use it. So let's see. Yeah, see, alhamdulillah, see water is dropping. So now water will drop by Softlan motor. So detergent motor is stop because it's not working. That's why. See, from Softlan, not from detergent. But from Softlan it's slow, little bit slow. Then I told the customer it will be slow. They said, yeah, it's okay. If it is slow, then we'll use it. It's okay. So they want to use it slow. So see, after refilling, now it's washing also. So alhamdulillah dear viewers, so without changing also. So if you want to use this method, you can use your temporary, you can use your washing machine. Okay dear viewers, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.